Real quick, you guys, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update regarding the 2024 Grand Highlanders and the Grand Highlander hybrids. The remedy is available now. For a while, Toyota had a stop sale for the Grand Highlanders regarding the curtain shield airbag recall that was expected to come out. Well, late October, the remedy became available. We actually have parts at the dealers stocked up. So if you guys own one of these Grand Highlander hybrids or Grand Highlanders out there, don't hesitate to bring it in. It's a pretty straightforward job other than lowering the headliner, replacing the driver's side curtain shield airbag along with the passenger side. Now, a quick tip for you owners out there, prior to bringing it in, I would advise if you have child car seats in the second row, maybe take them out. Some of them are easily removed and some of them are a little bit more difficult and you guys probably adjust it to your liking. So I would advise that you remove the child car seat prior to coming in for the recall. Is the recall worth waiting on? If you have a ride or if the dealer that you're taking it to are able to provide a shuttle, then I would advise that you take the shuttle and don't wait on the recall to be completed. Like I said, because of the steps involved, it's not really a job you want to wait on. So if you can get a ride back, I would advise you take it, or if the dealer is providing you with a rental car, take it, go grab a bite to eat, and then come back. By the end of the day, the vehicle should be ready. And like I said, emptying out the vehicle, I don't mean getting it detailed and vacuumed and the whole 9 yards. Just if you have because some customers, believe it or not, they keep their office supplies, office materials in the back. And like I said, the child car seat, because that's pretty much the area we're going to be moving around. So it helps a lot if you have the vehicle emptied out and there's not stuff or your personal items all around. And it just makes our job a little bit easier. Because in the technical instruction, it doesn't say anything about removing child car seats, removing the office folders and paperwork that you keep in your car. It just says, hey, remove a couple pillars here and there, but nothing about your personal items. So just a quick tip for you guys, the remedy is out, so hopefully we're able to see the Grand Highlanders back on the road again and as well on the dealer lots. So for a while, even me, I wanted a Grand Highlander myself. None were available, so I settled for a Highlander. So hopefully now, when they start rolling them back out again to dealers all around, with the help of interest rates coming down, hopefully I'm able to get one soon. That's all I got for you guys today. Hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. As always, thanks for watching.